everybody, this is Linda Bartolucci with Ink Stamp and Scrap, and this is another video about my retired product sale happening on Saturday, May 15th, beginning at 8 a.m. There is a link below to the private Facebook group if you are not watching this video in that private Facebook group, as well as a card above to see the first video that has all the details about the sale. This video is going to talk about the dies and embossing folders that I have available in the sale. So the dies that I have are the layering ovals. This is not a price. There are 15 dies in this set. I also have the layering squares, and there are 19 dies in this set of dies. For any pricing information, you'll need to consult the sale flyer or download that's linked below. And then there's the beautiful butterfly that has all these wonderful butterflies and different flowers and pieces that you can use. These two dies coordinate together. One is more detailed than the other, and they're huge ones. You can cut apart the butterflies and use them singly, or just make that the focal point of any one of your projects. Now moving on to folders. Some of these are, oh wait, hang on. I have one more, sorry, I have one more die. This is the Plaid Builder die. I created a stencil using vellum with the detailed die, plaid die, and then you have this bold plaid die. All of that is one die set for you. All right, now moving on to the folders. These are all 3D folders, so that means that some of the elevation in the folder is really heavy and some of it not so much, which gives your card even more character when you use the folder. So this is the Dainty Diamonds folder. And this is the Subtle folder. It can be used to make a great, just basic background. You can also run your cardstock both directions to give you more of a linen look to your card base. This is the Brick and Mortar. And you can use it either way, depending on which way you want your bricks to run. This is the old map paper. It looks like crinkled up paper when you run your project through this one. And this is the tin tile embossing folder. It looks like a tin roof or a tin ceiling or copper ceiling that you would find in an older building. This is the lace embossing folder, and this one has an extra lot of raised, medium raised, and lower sections, so you really get quite the lacy look to your cardstock. This is the Pinewood Planks embossing folder, and it not only gives you the wood impression, but also really separates the slat so it looks like shiplap almost. This is the Scripty embossing folder. It gives you a nice script background to any of your projects. And last but not least is the Woodland folder that just gives you that feel of being out in the forest. So thank you for watching. Again, the sale is happening on Saturday, May 15th. You can be a part of the private Facebook group to get all the updates. There's a link below this video, or if you're watching from the private Facebook group, just make sure you're checking it all week for updates and details leading up to the sale that starts at 8 a.m. on Saturday, May 15th.